Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a Google account profile picture. So this is going to work the same whether on your laptop computers or on your phone, whether it's Android or iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad. You're going to want to go to google.com on your web browser, then make sure you're signed in. You can do that by clicking in the top right hand corner. Once you're signed in, you're going to want to type in the URL at the top of the page, aboutme.google.com. So copy that URL there as you can see me type in. And then it's going to bring up this web page right here. Then you're going to see towards like the top of the page there, you'll be able to see a profile picture as you can see on screen. I'm showing there. Click on that little arrow to the right hand side. And then that's going to bring up this bit here, the profile picture page. Then you're going to see remove there down in the middle. Click on that, and then once you click remove, then it will have removed your profile picture. It will take a while to actually remove it from all the Google accounts that you have, like your Gmail, etc. But it is done. It will eventually be changed. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on Google and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.